Wow.
Nah, man, I'm really going. Everybody bust up them balloons.
I don't think I've ever seen so many balloons burst at once. This must be a record somewhere.
I'm confused.
No, sir. I know you must be devastated right now.
I'm shocked, my general. Fully shocked.
Yeah, man, you must feel away, man.
You expect me to come and get a one date or something, you know? Without even open my mouth yet, nah, and everybody just bust up them balloons, sir. Okay, a discrimination thing I go on in here, sir.
Oh, see one more there.
Bruh.
Alright, so come over here. So let's go and find out from this lady here why she burst her
Yeah,
balloon.
man, I really want to know. I want me this, sir.
Good afternoon. So tell me, why did you burst your balloon upon seeing this gentleman here?
Hi. Alright, so first thing, now I don't mean to discriminate against you or anything like that, but just your appearance, how you're dressed, is just like a no-no for me.
Oh, I'm dressed.
What mean is I know for you.
Yeah, how you dress, like your pants is sagging under your bottom. I can see your underwear.
A woman of standards?
Baby, you're the stylist, you know, baby.
Well, that's what you call looking good. Well, I have to pass on that.
You can say you're one grandmother. Oh, dear.
Well, I guess I'm a grandmother then, but that's just not my thing. Alright, now, as I said, I really don't want to discriminate against you and I really don't know you. But like, your skin color, you change the color of your skin. The bleaching is just a red flag and a no-no for me.
Substance.
First of all, I really feel as if like you have insecurities, and I'm not saying people can't be insecure, but you can't be so insecure that you're going to bleach the color of your skin that God gave you. Like you should be so confident in who you are and your self-esteem. And for me, it just breaks my heart to see people like bleach your skin like that.
Wow. Beauty, brains, and class. Alright, so you heard what she had to say. So, any rebuttals, any thoughts what you have to say?
You know, some feel like I got me out. Yeah, man, I got me out right now, brother.
Sir,
right
sir,
now.